In this video, I will show you how to blur background in Adobe Express. To get started, go ahead and open Adobe Express on your browser and make sure that you're signed in into your Adobe Express account. And here, go ahead and click on that Start from Your Content button and upload your photo. Now, once you have uploaded your photo, go ahead and select the canvas size of your photo that you want to edit to. Once you have selected the canvas size, that will redirect you into your canvas. And then here, go ahead and make sure that your photo fits your aspect ratio or your canvas size. Click on your photo and click on these three dots at the top left beside this trash icon. Click on the duplicate option and make sure that your duplicate photo is of the same size as your original photo. So click on your first photo, click on remove background from the left side of your screen to remove the background of that first photo. Now go ahead and click on the second photo, and what you'll need to do in here is to scroll down at the left side and click on the adjustments button. Scroll down and make sure to blur your second photo to be able to blur the background of your photo. That is how you can simply blur background in Adobe Express. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.